Hello again, it's Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel, and today we've got our Trace Jolie May kit reveal. So I'm opening up Emmys. And okay, so now I do have a little extra in here because I'm on the design team, but also this right here was what fell out of the box, my destroyed box from last month that the mail destroyed. And Kim was so wonderfully beautiful and sweet that she added these in here, and I was so appreciative. So this was the Cosmic Shimmer. Oh, I think that was a bad word I just said. That was from April's Mixed Media Kit and the Mica Flakes. So these were great petits. So, she did go to Creativation and got the entire design team some goodies from there. So I thank you for that. And these are all of the fun items. Okay, so these goes together. So I do have the scrapbooking kit and I have the mixed media kit. I didn't get the card kit this time, you guys, because she had such a stellar month that she sold out. So we were only allowed to get a few extras this time. So I did make sure that I picked up the scrapbooking kit. I will be primarily designing with this fabulousness right here. So this is the mixed media kit, and let's just start with that. I really want to eat those M&Ms, so I'm not gonna lie. It's like my Achilles heel. So we have this beautiful, and a lot of these products she picked up at Creativation, so new to everyone. So this is iFlex wood products. Oh my goodness. Look at that steampunk buddy fly. So it's important, please read the below instructions before using iFlex wood products. iFlex wood products are designed to be extremely user-friendly, provided that a few simple steps follow. Do not attempt to bend iFlex wood products without heating first. You can bend this. Do not submerge in water. Heat the piece with a heat gun or blow dryer until it becomes flexible. This allows the decorative piece to adhere to the project surface by increasing contact points of glue. Spread a thin layer of adhesive such as wood glue on the entire back surface. Huh. Nice. Okay, anyway. And then I have this beautiful little canvas piece from Artist Loft. So we're going to make some very, very fun little things. Let's see what we got in here. Make sure that I'm not showing you anything that I should not be showing you. Okay. So, oh my goodness. Okay, so this is for the iFlex. Oh, look how much fun you could do. Like you could, oh. And then Paint Couture. And this is Paint Couture. So now this is new to me. So we've got some Paint Couture Crackle. Step 1 and step 2. Uh-oh. I hope there's directions. There is Paint Couture Crackle is a 2-step process. So there is, so we're going to be doing some crackle. And then we have got some glazes and metallic. So this is Paint Couture. This is Vertigreen, Copper, and Van Dyke Brown. And oh, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is a beautiful, beautiful green. Oh, it's like, oh, it's so pretty. Okay. And then we've got this beautiful copper color. Oh, I love me some copper. I don't know if my camera is doing justice. And then Van Dyke Brown, so just a really beautiful shiny shimmery with a little bit of gold in it. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So the paint, oh, look at these. Oh, so here's your colors. So we have got the copper. is right here. I don't think it's all the colors though. but that's okay. That is gorge. Super love. And then we have Paint Couture Shimmer, or Sheer Metallic Sheer Bliss. How much fun is this? It's a shimmer paint. Oh my goodness. Do not spill that, Rebecca. Okay. I cannot wait to play with these things. Okay, so let's, and it's great that she gave some literature about it as well. Making sure everything is super closed up. Just saying. Your girl here tends to make a mess with mixed media. That's what makes mixed media so fun. Okay. Let's make sure everything stays together. Alright, and then these, like I said, are from last month. So this should have been in my kit. So we've got the Cosmic Shimmer in Phil Martin. Oh no, they're colors by Phil Martin. I have got Deep Purple. So it's a very fun purple. And we have got Ice Blue, Gunmetal, and Lush Pink. So these are going to be fun to play with. And this is some Mica Flakes in... I really can't read anymore up close. Henna. Like it's on there. So those are going to be fun to play with. Okay. Alright, let's look at the scrapbook kit. So I'm going to put this in my Jolie little spot there. Alright, so we have Uniquely Creative. New company to me. I do know that she said when she's seen these collections and the quality, like, she was won over. So we've got the Peonies and Protease. So we've got, I can't talk either. So we've got some fun cut aparts. Oh, look at the cute little koalas. Love. Alright. So this is the first time I'm ever seeing this collection. So we've got two nice quality of paper, you guys. So look at this beautiful half moon. Oh, Fussy cutting that out all day. And then on the back, like a little bit of mixed media with a little something something there. Okay. Then we have this right here. Oh, look at how gorgeous that is. And it's got like a plaid right here and then like a wood concrete look texture. And on the back is just polka dots. So we get two of those. Oh, I'm in love. I'm just in love. It's like three beautiful clusters. And then it looks like it's a plaid where they, you know, they did the mixed media for you. Ooh, and a cut apart. So we get a fun cut apart here. I love like the kangaroos. Pat's gonna yell at me because I can't remember what that bird is called. Those are like Australian. And then some big tags. Okay, that I love, but always messes with my eyes. Does it mess with your guys' eyes? And then we have another cut apart. Oh my word. Some flowers and some cut aparts, all kinds of fun stuff. Then a beautiful swooshy, so you get two of those. So this is like a whole collection with fun things involved. Well, I mean, never mind. This is cute. It's kind of like a wallpapered water look with the two florals. And like it's already done. Like you stuck a photo in there, you add a little embellishments, you're done. Your girl loves some wallpaper. You know that. Wallpaper. Wood grain. You guys. Work has done me in. So we've got Eucalyptus, Dreams Await, Every Day is a New Beginning, Let Your Heart Lead the Way, Inhale Courage, Exhale Feel. Oh, feel like that's me in a mirror. And then we've got some beautiful plaid, green. I love the color tone. I love the palette. I love everything about this. Kim, excellent choice. This is why you're the master. And it is. So it's Australia's landscapes. So that's really fun. I guess this company may be from Australia. I don't know. I have to do some research. This, you can totally fussy cut that out. And then the little wordy bits. And then more cut aparts. Oh my goodness. Just a love. Okay. So we've got that. And then we have some fun stuff to go with it, right? So we have the embellishments, which are some wood buttons. Oh, I love those. And a little marsupials, all the fun things. Look at all the fun stuff in there. There's a lot in there, so I'm not going to go through it. And she always gives us the prettiest 3D florals. And I have been loving using these lately. These got a little glitter on them. I can't wait to use those. Oh, and we have some more laser cuts. Let's see if I can... There we go. So there does have some of the offcuts in there. You just pop those right out and throw them away. But beautiful florals to go with it. She designs those. And then look at these. More. Oh, how fun is this kit going to be to work with? I've got to start playing. I can't wait. I get so excited for these things. Okay. Stop being weird. I should have just let it go. Okay. So I always keep all this stuff together. So, all right. So that's what we're going to play with this month. And don't forget to go check out Trace Jolie and see what other kind of exciting things they have going on there, what she has in the card kit. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.